So people ask me, so how much time does it take for eye exercise? If I say that it's 20 minutes a day, doctor, is it so time consuming? They say. So why should we do eye practices? It is just like any other practice. Either you go to a yoga session or a gymnasium or aerobics, any kind of sport, including swimming, takes hours together. But eye is the often ignored part in the body. We just ignore it straight away because there are many easy alternatives for that. Either it's a spectacle or it's a surgery. But we don't realize that there are n number of methods by exercise, nutrition, naturopathy. We can get rid of so many vision problems. But until you try, you will never know. So that's why we have come up with a holistic program which includes vision therapy, eye exercises, nutrition and holistic health along with nature's power. This designed suitable for the individual, maybe a kid or an adult, whatsoever. It can create a lot of remedial measures for the patients. Along with that, we should think as preventive measures too. So you should realize that eye exercise is as important as by exercising any other parts of your body like your spine or neck or legs or whatever it is. So it's very important. Just give it a try. Otherwise, you'll never know. Seeing is believing.